How to replace the controller of this electric wheelchair. First, cut the cable ties that secure the wires. Disconnect the red plug on the battery base. Press and hold the latch on the motor connection port. Disconnect the wire plug. Repeat the same steps to disconnect the wire plug on the other side. Use a 4mm hex key to loosen the bolts securing the controller. Then you can remove the old controller. Get a new controller ready. Mount it onto the controller bracket and secure it with the bolts. When connecting the red ports on the battery base, align the ports correctly, otherwise they won't fit together. Connect the motor wire ports according to the left and right markings. Secure the wires with new cable ties. Note, only fasten the wires to the inside of the bracket. Check to make sure the wires are not pinched when folding the wheelchair. Then use scissors to trim off the excess parts of the cable ties. That's it, the replacement is complete.